안녕 친구, 환영합니다. Today I'll be unboxing BT21 Mini Handy Fan. This is the second version. Side, back. Oops, second. So surprisingly, the box is smaller than the previous one. I do have the fan with me in my living room, the version one. I can't believe you take it out, so just leave it as it is. So there will be no comparison with the version one, except that they gave a USB cable, which the first version does not include. Is there a manual? Yep, there is. We have it in Korean, and we have some pictures to look at. So there's 3 levels of speed, like the first one, level 1, 2, and 3. Like I say a couple minutes ago, it includes a USB cable, which the first version does not include, which is good for those who don't have this. And then we have the fan right here. You can insert like the keychain strap, so you can hang it around your hand or around your neck. And this is where you charge your portable fan. Ooh, there's a light. This is level 1. Quite windy. Yes. Very good. And level 3. Love it. So, and then you have the stand. You can just place it on the desk. So I just read, kind of like glanced through the user manual. So if you were to touch 춘천 단자, so this button right here, it'll light up. This button right here will light up. So I'm gonna test it on camera. Just put this right here. Put it at the back. Let me turn on the switch. So you can see it turns red. I am not sure if the color will change to green once when that's fully charged. That I will update once I've charged this fully, maybe in a couple of hours.